Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox as it's not loading problem. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser, and then I'm using Brave, but if you're using Chrome it's super similar. So you need to then navigate to top right corner where you should see three little dots, or in my case there is three little dashes, and then you need to go to settings, and once you're here then you need to go to privacy and security, and then you need to go to security, and then you need to just select this one and make sure to use Google public DNS servers, right? And then that's pretty much it. You just need to close, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you can close your browser. Then you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to network and internet, and then you need to go to advanced network settings, and then you need to go to more network adapter options. And you should see a similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And then you need to right click on your internet connection, and then you need to go to properties. Then you need to make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and then you need to double click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. And after that, apply the changes, restart the computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here is to update your GPU drivers. And to do so, depending on what GPU you're using, AMD or NVIDIA. In my case, I have NVIDIA GPU, and I got GeForce Experience. You can download completely from free from NVIDIA website, and then you need to go to drivers and then check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. Restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.